Hi, welcome to the Node JS video training. In this video training we will be learning about REPL. The term REPL stands for read, eval, print and loop. It specifies a computer environment like a window console or a Unix shell where you can enter the commands and the system responds with an output in an interactive mode. So REPL environment. The Node.js or Node come bundled with REPL environment. Each part of the REPL environment has a specific work. Read, it reads user's input, parse the input into JavaScript data structure and stores in memory. Eval, it takes and evaluates the data structure. Print, it prints the result. And loop, it loops the above command until user press ctrl-c twice. You can start REPL by simply running node on the command prompt. You can execute various mathematical operations on REPL, Node.js command prompt, Node.js simple expressions as well. After starting REPL node command prompt, put any mathematical expression. Let's see this in practical. I'm going to just type in node and press enter. Okay, we have entered the REPL environment using Node.js. Now let's run our first example mathematical expression 10 plus 20 minus 5. You see we have 25 as an output, so it has evaluated our expression. Now let's try another 10 plus 12 plus 5 multiply by 4 divide by 7. So we had 24.857 and so on the screen. Using variable. Variables are used to store values and print later. If you don't use var keyword, then value is stored in the variable and printed, whereas if var keyword is used, then value is stored but not printed. You can print variables using console.log. So let's try it here. A equals 50. So the value is stored in the A variable and it is also printed on the screen as well. Now I'm going to use the keyword bar and define another variable B and give it a value of 50. This time the value isn't displayed, but it is stored in the variable B. Now let's sum up A plus B and you can see 100. So it has summed up the two variables. You can also use console.log here and say hello TechWeber, and you can see it has output hello TechWeber on the screen. Node REPL supports multi-line expressions like JavaScript. See the following do-while loop example. Let's try this. F equals 0. Okay. Do. This is a do loop, do-while loop. Okay. X plus plus. Then we have console.log, going to print the value of x here, plus x, okay, and close the loop while x plus x is less than 10. That's it. Okay, as I pressed enter right after the last line, that is this line, while line, the REPL environment executed the do-while loop, printing numbers from 1 till 10, and it ended as the value of x exceeded the value of 10. So you can also execute multi-line expressions like JavaScript in the REPL environment. You can also use underscore to get the last result. For example, if we have a variable a with value 50. Then we have a plus b, and you want to declare another variable and give it a value underscore. So if I console.log sum, it gives us 100. So underscore is basically used to get the last result. Use ctrl+c command twice to come out of Node JS REPL environment. So if I press ctrl+c and ctrl+c again, I'm back to my shell. That was all about Node JS REPL environment. I hope that you have understood the basic concept of REPL environment and how to utilize it in using your application and practicing Node.js. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a new topic in Node.js.